The Laban Namgarh had kick-started its centenary year celebration of the first Durga Puja of the Assamese Community in Shillong. The puja was started in 1922 from the premises of late Kamala Kanta Barooah's residence in Laban. It was in 1937 that the puja venue was later shifted to the Namghar Complex within the locality. It is interesting to note that the Namghar was an idea that was propagated by one of Assam's religious leaders and philosophers, Srimanta Sankardev, many centuries ago. The Laban Namghar, or the holy shrine of the Assamese community, is quite different from the rest, as it not only follows Sankardev's philosophy but also houses three temples that include that of Lord Ganesha, Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu inside the complex, enabling people from all Hindu faiths to gather together in worship of their gods.